All right, welcome back to another video, guys. And I want to jump in here at the beginning of this one and kind of let you know what we're doing. Dad's been getting the 65 ready for the Bunker Hill Nostalgia Nights Drag and Drive event. So still got to get her all cleaned up, but got the ram air pan on it. And he's going through getting all the tool stuff we're taking and got the street tires on it. And then got the slicks in the back and some fuel, jack stands, everything else we'll need. Obviously, the toolbox will be going in there when we get all that ready. He's getting that portable one ready, so we got crap piled everywhere. But anyway, that's what you'll be looking forward to in the videos after this. I'll hopefully try to do, I don't know about a video each time. We'll see how it goes. I may do one big video, may do one each night. It's 3 nights, Thursday, well, should say 3 days. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And it should be pretty cool. Start out at Bunker Hill, and then we go to Muncie on Friday, and then back to Bunker on Saturday. But there's a couple cool little spots we got to stop at along the way.
RPM transmissions.
Yep, RPM transmissions in Muncie, and then what's the place in Elkhart?
I can't think of it. He builds drag and drive cars.
Oh, he builds drag and drive cars, so that ought to be pretty neat. And you guys will see all that in the upcoming videos. But anyway, as for this video, you get to see us pull a car out of a field, and it's a buddy of mine's dad's. Had it for a long time. They're about ready to get started on it, as well as one of his cars, which I hope you enjoy seeing. A little different for the channel. It's a Honda Civic. It's a coupe, and it's fully built, made, I think, 740 to the tires on the dyno on high boost, and he had it turned down a little bit, probably in the 600 range in the clips you guys will see. We took a little trip out to Mexico, made a couple hits in it, so hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll get on with the video and look forward to this drag and drive event. So it ought to be pretty fun. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out on a little mini vacation, and we're out at a friend's house, and we're gonna do something pretty fun. Got a 76 Trans Am back here, sitting in the woods, belongs to his dad, and they're wanting to get started on it, and this car is solid. I mean, you can still see the factory red oxide undercoating. It's a great car. It's been sitting back here, doesn't have a rear end in it, so we're gonna pop the rear end in it, get it down off the blocks, and pull it back up front so they can start on it. So we'll take you guys along with us, getting this thing yanked out, getting this rear end thrown in it, and get it back up front so we can enjoy this thing, get started on it. So I probably won't be involved that much, just at least getting the thing up the property. But anyway, yeah, we'll go ahead and film and get this thing going. Yep. Remember taking it down the drag strip with these.
We'll take the rest of them off down there.
That's what I was thinking. All right, got the rear end out. Or I should say over here to go in. And we're getting it ready. This is like the only spot of rust on the entire car. I mean, you can still see the red oxide on the floors. See if you guys can see it. Hard to tell, but there's a few spots you can. All right, guys, got that in there. So we're gonna get ready and tighten these things down. But we might need some rubbers because the rear end's still wanting to shimmy around a little bit. So we'll get back with you on that, see what we figure out.
Been a while.
Thing looks good. Oh yeah, you can see it.
They're all power steering fluid.
Pumping in it. Strat Master. Oh yeah, she's rolling. Broke him right free. Hey, cut her to the left. There you go, you're good. All right, they got it rolled up so we can pressure wash it and get it all cleaned up and start getting this thing going. Who cares? All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're looking forward to the drag and drive event. Should be pretty cool. Should be a fun time. It's not too extravagant as far as a lot of mileage, really, but I'll try to document as much of it as I can. That's why I might end up making it all into one video, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see what I can compile each day, because I don't know if a video would be worth it every day. I don't know if I can compile enough footage to make it that interesting. But anyway, we'll see. That's for the future. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the ride along and my buddy Kyle's car. That thing is wicked. It's just scary fast. That's the gnarliest thing I've ever been in. Power to weight ratio is crazy. I mean, 750 wheel horsepower in a muscle car is fast, let alone a car that weighs 2,200 pounds, and it's soon to be all-wheel drive, so that thing will be a literal rocket ship. But anyway, I guess I'll go ahead and close out the video here. We're ending off in the garage. I've been cleaning and organizing some parts and finally getting some money shuffled around to get this thing finished up and on the road and enjoyable. And I still got to fix this turd. I don't think I've ever done a video on this car. I've had this since I was like 17. But got some electrical problems I got to address, and then still waiting on sheet metal for that. But anyway, we'll end out the video here. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.